Hi, I'm John Lane, owner of Castle Rock Sprinkler Service. I'd like to tell you about the services we offer and what makes our company different. I believe that who we are to you, our customer, is as important as what we do for you. What does this mean? It means arriving for appointments on time, being competent at our trade, hiring employees that reflect my values and training them, taking care of problems that might arise in a timely manner, and being fair and reliable. Here in Colorado, before you can have a beautiful lawn, you must first have an efficient sprinkler system, and we know how to make that happen. We provide springtime system activation, repairs of all types, system tune-ups to improve efficiency, and winterizing in the fall. We also offer a seasonal program which creates beautiful, healthy lawns and a property that is weed-free. The service includes aeration, fertilization, and rock bed weed control. The final service we offer is holiday decorating, where you do nothing and we do everything from providing the decor, installing it, and taking it down. The best part is you can have a different look from year to year as we have an extensive inventory of unique decorations. We make doing business with us easy for you. Book an appointment using our online scheduling calendar or give the office a call. Thanks for your consideration, and I hope our paths cross soon.